Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Here's a scary thought for you. Is your password already for sale on the dark web? Because just last year, in 2025, info stealers grabbed this many credentials from people just like us.
The truth is, the old locks are totally broken. The thieves, well, they already have a copy of the key.
Last year, we crossed what experts call the AI Rubicon. There is absolutely no going back to the old ways.
We're not fighting human criminals anymore. We're fighting these digital phantoms, basically autonomous AI agents.
And don't think of these as just faster scripts. Nope. They learn, they adapt, and they attack relentlessly.
It's a race between human and machine speed. And honestly, it's not even a fair fight anymore. Look at this. Even the best human hackers, the old apex predators, are being completely overshadowed. It's a whole new game. So how does this digital ghost even get in? Well, it's not about breaking in. It's about simply logging in. The entire attack is automated. It finds your password, it gets in, and your data is gone in just minutes.
Okay, so how on earth do you fight something moving that fast? You can't outrun it. You have to fight AI with AI.
This isn't just about a stronger password. It's a whole new kind of alarm system for your digital life.
These tools use their own AI to constantly hunt for your credentials where all the criminals hide them.
And the second your info pops up somewhere it shouldn't, bam, you get an alert instantly.
So you see, the age of just having a strong password is over. We're now in the age of password exposure. It's not about stopping a breach anymore. It's about knowing a breach happened and reacting at machine speed.
Because in this new age of AI, the strongest password is the one you know for a fact hasn't been stolen yet.
Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.